my name's Julia and I'm here with our technician Abby. Today we're going to be asking her the weirdest things she's seen. Alright Abby, what is the weirdest thing you found on a call?
I was doing a maintenance once and found a dead bird on the inside of an evaporator coil. It was pretty unexpected.
I bet! That's so scary! Oh my god! Alright, and what is the strangest AC repair you've been to?
The first thing that comes to mind, I had a technician call and ask me for help. He was on call and a tree fell and just like went straight through this lady's condenser. He was there for a no AC and he sent me the picture.
Oh my god!
That was pretty insane.
Was he okay?
He was fine, yeah. He got there after the tree fell, but he was like, what do I do? I was like, I don't know. Pull it out.
That's insane. Okay, and then what is the biggest homeowner mistake you've seen?
I was at a guy's house once and he asked me to clean his coil because last year he tried to, his condenser coil. He snapped all of the wires off of his condenser fan motor trying to take the fan top off, and it was a couple $1,000 mistake, so he asked me if I would do it. I said yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's
a pretty bad mistake.
Yeah. Alright, and then what is the most unexpected service call?
It kind of goes back to the other one. It was the tree one. It's like no AC. The last thing you expect to see is a tree just inside of a condenser coil. It's crazy.
That's insane.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for answering our questions.